Good morning, good morning, good morning. Thanks again for choosing our channel. We are carrying on with integration. This is a question here. 5.3, it was 5.3.1. Sketch the graphs. I hope you are seeing what I'm writing. Let's do this. Yes. The graphs of y is equals to x squared and y is equals to x plus 2. Okay. Calculate the points of intersection and show the area to be calculated and the strip to be used. So in that case, allocation is 6 marks. So it shouldn't be a problem as such. We are given a parabola as well as a straight line graph. Everyone in N4 is expected to know how to draw a parabola and a straight line graph. A parabola and a straight line graph. So for us to be able to draw this parabola graph, y is equals to x squared. So for us to have parameters, we can do this. X and y. For our x, we can choose -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. So when you have -2 as the value of this of x, you will be having 4 as the value of y. When you have -1, you will be having +1. When you have 0, you are going to have when you have the value of x as 0, you'll be having 0 there. So it's going to be a 0 and a 0. When you have 1, you have 1. That one is 4. Okay. Then there is another graph which is y is equals to x plus 2. So for the value of x, you let y be equal to 0, you'll be having x is equals to -2, okay? So for x-intercept, y is equals to 0. Okay, you have x is equals to 2. For the value of y, you must let x be equal to 0. 0 plus 2. Y is equals to 2. So you have the values of that straight line. The points is x is -2, y is 2. So you can be able to draw that graph. Here we have y, that side we have x-axis. Our graph is got its point at 0 and 0 here. I'm talking about this parabola. And then this graph here, when x is -1, y is +1. So this is -1, y is positive 1. It is there, so there is a point there, okay? There's a point there. With this graph, when x is minus 2, I have the value of y, which is positive 4. So I will be having 2 here, 3, and there is 4. So as it comes, I have a point there. When I check on the other side, is 1 and 1. So it's here. This is 1 and this is 1. What else? 2 and 4. Is 2 and there is a 4 of y. So I can draw that graph without any hassle because there are points here. There are points here. You can see how smooth the graph it is. Okay. Right, after having drawn the parabola, you are going to draw a straight line graph. Your straight line graph, your x touches at x is equals to 2, it is here. And then another value, the value of y, it touches at y is equals to 2. So it's going to be here. With a long ruler, we can find a way of drawing. We can find a way of drawing this straight line graph. I don't have a ruler, but we always improvise. So I didn't bring a ruler with me, but we can always improvise. We can always improvise. So we can't fail because we said we don't have a ruler. This one is our straight line graph, this one. There it is. There it is. Yes. So, well, let us look at the question. Calculate the points of intersection and show the area to be calculated and the strip to be used. The area to be calculated, it is the area that which is bound by parabola and straight line. So the area is this one. This is the area, we shade it. The area that is enclosed by a parabola and a straight line. So inside this area, there is a strip. That strip, you can put it anywhere inside the graph. This is the strip that will be used to calculate the area. This is the strip. This is the strip. There we are. This is the strip. Look at the strip. And because we are here, you can see that is the strip. This is the strip to be used. Whether you put it x or you put delta x is fine. That is the strip to be used to calculate the area that which is expected. So it looks okay to me. And then that 6 marks is fully yours because everything, it is according to the plan. While we are still there, let us look at the next question because it goes hand in hand with it. Okay? Let us look at the next question. Determine the area bounded by the two graphs in question 5.3.1 with the aid of integration. So we are requested to calculate the area. You can listen carefully for the next question because I'm not going to write it there. 5.3.2. Determine the area bounded by the two graphs in question 5.3.1 with the aid of integration. So you can call this 5.3.2. So here we are going to calculate this area, this one here. So that area, the integral, look at the parameters. The parameters is here. There is this graph that is touching it at 2 and also at -1. You can see the maximum intersection point is 2 and then there is 1 there. Okay, so the positive 2 and -1. So these graphs are going to be the other graph subtracts the other one. So we're going to have these two graphs that which we are going to calculate using here. We have x plus 2, which is the straight line, minus x squared, which is the graph that which is below. You can see the parabola is below, so it's negative. Right, what we start with integration. X squared divided by 2 plus 2x minus x exponent 3 divided by 3. We have 2 and -1. So we carry on like that. There is nothing like terms here. Substitute by 2. As you substitute by 2, you substitute by 2, substitute by 2, and then minus. From there, you're going to substitute by -1. Substitute -1 there. Squared 2. You need to get enough space here. I need to get enough space so that whenever you do your things, you can't complain and say, I was not able to see what he was doing. So it carries on. Substitute by 2 first. As you substitute by 2, 2 squared is 4. 4 divided by 2. Let me put it like that. You substitute by 2, you get 4. Substitute by 2. 2 exponent 3 is 8. 8 divided by 3. Okay? As you substitute by -1, you still get 1. So it's 1 over 1. In fact, it's a half. As you substitute, it's -2. As you substitute, sorry, you still get minus, so it's plus 1 divided by 3. I continue to go that side, but now, because I'm at the end, I have a calculator. I don't know about you. Hopefully you also have 2 plus 4 minus is 8 divided by 3. I get here what I get is 10 over 3. That's right. I don't know how much it is, but I will say 0.5 plus, in fact, minus 2 plus 1 divided by 3. So I get minus into minus 7 over 6. So at the end of the day, I'm going to add. So it's 10 divided by 3 plus 7 over 6. It gives me how much? Let me see. 10 divided by 3 plus 7 divided by 6. I get the answer of there it is. There it is. Can you see there at the corner there? The final answer to that one. I can't write it there. There is no space. So that one, the final answer is 9 divided by 2, which is 4.5 square units. I can just write units square or square units. That is area. Okay, area is equal to 4.5 square units or units square. So depending how you want to call it. And then that is all that which I could have done for you. You can keep on commenting, keep on subscribing, keep on liking this video and this channel. Thank you.